Welcome to Honeymood Meditations. Today I'll be leading you in a simple and powerful guided meditation to help cultivate the power of your relaxed focus. This meditation will refine a foundational skill to the practice and is beneficial to beginner and advanced meditators. I will explain a light touch of focus to use in your practice today. To understand this light touch, bring your hands together and gently touch all your fingertips together. Notice the amount of focus needed to keep your fingertips touching one another. This is the amount of focus you need to keep in this meditation. It's a light touch. Now, let's begin and take a few moments to find a comfortable seated position, in a chair or on a cushion on the ground. You can also practice standing up or lying down if you wish. Allow your eyes to close or cast your gaze downwards a few feet in front of you. Begin by taking 5 slow and deep breaths. On each inhalation, feel the fresh air nourish your entire body. On each exhalation, invite a sense of calm into your body by silently saying calm. Now, allow your breath to be normal, flowing in and out through your nostrils. Notice which parts of your body make contact with the ground. Your feet, your thighs, your bottom. Feel the ground and Mother Earth supporting you, gently pushing up to hold you. Sit with an upright spine like a tree, but not too rigid. Relax your facial muscles around your jaw. Let your shoulders relax and rest your hands wherever is most comfortable. Now, feel your body breathing. There's no need to control anything about your breath. You may notice your breath is long or short, choppy or full. Where do you feel the breath? Perhaps in the belly rising and falling, in the chest expanding or contracting, or in the nostrils. One breath may be short and choppy, and the next may be long and deep. Let yourself be breathed. Be curious. If it's helpful, you can make mental notes of what's happening as you're breathing, using labels such as in and out, or rising and falling, or breathing. There's no need to judge the breath. Explain to yourself why it is the way it is, or think about how you might improve it. Simply experience the body breathing. Be the silent witness. And as you continue to renew your intention to each breath, it's recommended to have a light touch with your focus. If you focus too hard or you're focusing on too many things, we stay in our thinking minds and it can be exhausting. Remember the amount of focus needed to touch your fingertips together. A light touch. Now, choose one sensation of experiencing the breath as your anchor. This sensation and anchor could be feeling the breath as long or short, felt in your nostrils, belly, or chest, or making mental notes such as in and out, rising, falling. When your attention drifts away, which it often will, gently and firmly bring your light touch of awareness back to the anchor you chose and experience the body being breathed again and again. Beginning anew, feel your body being breathed again. Long, short, in, out, expanding, contracting. When you notice the mind is thinking, planning, fantasizing, this is a magic moment. It's a step on the path, a little win. Be extra kind to yourself in this moment of transition back to the breath. Recognize you are thinking or fantasizing, and gently and firmly usher your light touch of focus back to your next breath. If you notice your mind is very scattered or fatigue is setting in, this is normal and perfectly okay. You can make a non-judgmental note. The mind is really scattered right now. And then take 5 very deep and intentional breaths. Inhale and feel fresh, cool air fill your body in every cell with nutrients and energy. And exhale and let go. Let go. And when you count the 5th breath, let go of counting and let the body be breathed with a light touch of awareness. Soft, quiet, be the silent awareness. Curious, and offer loving kindness to yourself in each magic moment you notice your mind has drifted away. For the last few moments, notice the effects of the meditation. Notice how calm the breath is, how relaxed the body is. Whatever is or isn't there, let it be there. May the benefits of this practice bring joy, peace, ease, safety, patience, laughter, loving kindness, and freedom from suffering to you in your day and to all sentient beings near and far. When you're ready, gently and slowly deepen your inhalations and exhalations. Bring awareness to your body and space and feel the ground beneath you. And gently blink open your eyes. Bless your thoughts, words, intentions, and actions. Thank you to all the teachers and ancestors who have passed on these teachings to us. Give thanks to yourself for practicing today, and know that this is an act of self-care and love. Thank you for practicing with me today. Please comment below on what you noticed. I'm looking forward to seeing you back here tomorrow.